Yeah, okay. Now we learn active passive voice on 16 active formulas change to passive. Listen and pay attention. Nah, ini number one, simple present tense. Dia rumus aktifnya itu ada subject plus do does plus verb one. Berubah jadi pasif, ada subject plus to be am are is plus verb 3 by plus object. Contohnya aktifnya student speak English, pasif English is spoken by student. Nah, kayak gitu ya. Kalau number two, nih, present continuous tense. Aktifnya itu subject plus to be am are is plus verb one ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif. Subject plus to be am are is plus being. Jadi ada tambahan being, verbnya tetap verb 3 ya, by plus object. Contohnya, student is speaking English. English is being spoken by student. Nah, itu ya. Number three, present perfect tense. Aktifnya subject plus have has plus verb 3 plus object. Kalau berubah jadi pasif, ada subject plus have has plus been, pakai been ya, verb 3 by object. Contohnya student have spoken English. Kalau berubah jadi pasif, English has been spoken by student. Jadi ada been ya. Itu. Nah, sekarang number 4. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. Aktifnya subject have has plus been plus verb one ing plus object. Dia kalau continuous pasti verbnya verb ing ya. Kalau berubah jadi pasif itu subject have has plus been plus being ya, pakai being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Ya gitu. Jadi pakai being. Number 5 itu simple past tense. Aktifnya subject plus verb 2 plus object. Berubah jadi pasif subject plus to be was were plus verb 3 by plus object. Contohnya students spoke English. Nah, pasifnya English was spoken by students. Nah, itu ya. Jadi tetap kalau verb 3 ya tetap. Nah, sekarang number 6. Ada past continuous tense. Rumusnya subject to be was were verb 1 ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif. Subject plus to be was were plus being. Dia kenapa being? Karena continuous. Verb 3 plus by plus object. Contohnya student were speaking English. English was being spoken by student. Number 7. Past perfect tense. Aktifnya subject plus had not plus verb 3 plus object. Sorry, ini bukan had not ya, harusnya subject plus had verb plus verb 3. Kalau berubah pasif, jadi subject plus had been verb 3 by object. Contohnya student had spoken English, English had been spoken by student ya. Jadi nggak pakai not, itu salah. Number 8 itu past perfect continuous tense. Jadi aktifnya itu ada subject had been tambah been ya, verb 1 ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif, subject plus had been plus being plus verb 3 by object. Jadi contohnya student had been speaking English. Kalau pasifnya English had been being spoken by student. Ya, jadi itu pakai been, pakai being, verbnya verb 3. Nah, sekarang number 9, itu simple future tense. Ini aktifnya dia salah ya, harusnya subject plus will, nggak pakai not. Kalau not itu negatif ya, plus verb 1 object. Pasifnya subject will be verb 3 by object. Jadi pakai be. Contohnya student will speak English. Kalau berubah jadi pasif, English will be. Jadi tambah will be spoken by student. Jadi tetap kata kerjanya itu pakai kata kerja ketiga ya. Nah, itu. Jadi kalau future itu pakai be. Kalau tadi perfect pakai been ya. Nah, itu. Next, number 10, future continuous tense. Aktifnya subject plus will be plus verb 1 ing plus object. Pasifnya subject plus will be being ya. Jadi double. Subject will be plus being verb 3 by object. Contohnya aktifnya student will be speaking English. Pasifnya English will be being spoken by student. Ya, next. Future perfect aktifnya subject will have plus verb 3 plus object. Berubah jadi pasif, subject plus will have been verb 3 by object. Contohnya aktifnya student will have spoken English. Pasifnya English will have been spoken by student ya. Jadi ada will, ada have, ada been karena dia future, ada perfect perfectnya ya. Nah, next, future perfect continuous tense. Nah, ini rumusnya subject will have been plus verb 1 ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif, subject plus will have been being verb 3 by object. Jadi contohnya aktifnya student will have been speaking English. Pasifnya English will have been being spoken by student ya. Jadi dimasukin semua rumus nih. Ya, next ini simple future past tense. Jadi rumusnya ada subject, ada would. Kalau tadi dia present future will, sekarang past jadi would ya. Plus verb 1 object. Pasifnya subject plus would be verb 3 by object. Jadi dia tetap kata kerjanya kata kerja ketiga. Contohnya student would speak English, English would be spoken by student ya. Next, future past continuous tense. Ini rumusnya subject plus would be verb 1 ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif. Subject plus would be being verb 3 by object. Jadi dia tetap being karena continuous ya. Contohnya, student would be speaking English. Itu aktif. Kalau berubah pasif jadi English will be being spoken by students ya. Jadi dia pakai will be karena rumus future past ya. Next, sekarang future past perfect tense. Aktifnya subject plus would have plus verb 3 object. Pasifnya subject plus would have been verb 3 by object. Contohnya student would have spoken English. Berubah jadi English would have been spoken by student ya. Jadi karena dia past future jadi would ada perfectnya pakai have verb 3. Nah itu. Next, gelas ya. Ini future past perfect continuous tense ya. Ada future, ada past, ada perfect, ada continuous tense complete ya. Jadi rumus aktifnya ada subject plus would have been verb 1 ing plus object. Berubah jadi pasif subject plus would have been being verb 3 by object. Jadi contohnya aktifnya students would have been speaking English. Berubah jadi pasif English would have been being spoken by student. Okay, understand? Thank you.